I've seen heaven without dying, met the devil without trying, and they both seem to want to talk to me. But I'm all out of luck now, and my dreams aren't worth a buck. How it's tough trying to land on my feet when this game of life plays heavy on my heart. And love is tough, but loneliness is twice as hard. And I'll carry that belt everywhere I go. And they say pressure makes diamonds. How the hell am I still cold? And every day it's getting colder since that day in October when he told me it was over, so I left. 'Cause if you need me, well, I told you I'm on the better side of sober, trying to find